Welcome back, Year 3. Right, let's have a look at these problems to start off then. So, hopefully you've had a good go at them. Hopefully they weren't too bad. You recognise the regrouping. So let's see how you did. So question 1. We had Millie sold 436 cakes this morning. She sold another 286 in the afternoon. How many did she sell altogether? So we need to add them up. So we have the 436 add 286. So we know 6 ones plus 6 ones would be 12 ones. We have to regroup that because it's 12 ones. So we'll put the 2 ones into the ones column and we're boying over the 10 and put it under. Then we have 3 tens add 8 tens plus the 10 that's underneath. We have 12 tens. Again, we'll have to regroup because we can't have 12 tens in the tens column. So we'll regroup it into tens and hundreds. So there's our 2 tens. And then the 100, we're boying it over and put it under. Then we have 400 add 200 plus this 100 underneath, altogether 722. Question 2. We have 786 toy cars, another 95 are put into the box, so how many altogether? Let's add them up. We have 6 ones add 5 ones, which is 11 ones. Again, we'll have to regroup into tens and ones. There's the 1, the 10, we're boying it over and put it under. And then we have 8 tens plus 9 tens plus this 10 that's underneath. So altogether we have 18 tens. Again, we have to regroup. There's our 8 tens and the 100, we're going to boying it over and put it under. And then 700 plus another 100 means we have 800. So 881, that's a lot of cars. And then the last question. We have 468 books sold yesterday, 166 today. So how many did she sell altogether? Let's add them up. We have 8 ones plus 6 ones, which is 14 ones. We're going to regroup that into 4 ones and a 10. Boing it over and put it under. 6 tens plus 6 tens plus this 10 here means we have 13 tens. We have to regroup. There's our 3 tens. And the 100, we're going to boing it over and put it under. Then we have 400 plus 100 plus this 100 here, altogether 634. So she sold 634 books. How did you get on? Good, I hope. How did you get on? Okay, so the first thing I would do is I would have written down all the odd numbers. And then that way it would remind me of the different combinations. Now we know that there's 25 altogether and we have to have them between the 3 different monkeys. They have to have a different amount and it has to be an odd number. So you may have done it by trial and error where you just started to have a little go. So you may have started with maybe one of the monkeys having 1 and then your next odd number, the next monkey could have had 3. So then the other monkey would have had the remaining, which would have been 21. So 1, 3 and 21 could have been one of the answers. You then may have done some more trial and error. So perhaps keeping one of the monkeys here, we're just having number 1, but then maybe having 5 with the other monkey. So taking some of the amount off the third monkey. And this time it means you'd have 1, 5 and 19. And again, this could carry on. So you might pop 2 more onto this monkey. So then you'd have 1, 7 and 17. Again, you could carry on. This time you could have 1, 9 and 15. You might carry on, do 1 more and have 1, 11 and 13. So that could be one of the solutions. You may have changed the first monkey to perhaps have 3. And then your second monkey could have had 5. And then the remaining monkey would have 17. You might have the same monkey having 3, the second monkey having 7, and then the third monkey would have 15. You may have kept the 3 with the first monkey, had 9 with the second monkey, and then 13. You may have changed it to 5 for the first monkey, and then had 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that means the third monkey would have 13. Or have 5 with the first monkey, 9 with the second monkey, and then 11 I hope you enjoyed that. I really like that puzzle. Let's finish with another problem. So this time we've got Susie the snake. Now if you had 25 things a minute ago for the monkeys, keep them but just remove 5 because Susie the snake had up to 20 eggs. She counted her eggs in 4s. She had 3 left over. She counted them in 5. She had 4 left over. How many eggs has Susie got? Let's read that one more time. Susie the snake had up to 20 eggs. She counted her eggs in 4. She had 3 left over. She counted them in 5s. She had 4 left over. How many eggs has Susie got? Have a go. Did you work out that Susie the snake must have had 19? Let's have a look at why. So, if we put them into 4s, if we put those into 4s, okay, so we have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Now we know that she had up to 20, so that doesn't mean she had 20. So it must be up to 20. So that means we have 4, 8, 12, 16, and then she had 3 left over. So 16, 17, 18, 19. And then if we do the same with the 5s, if we put them into 5s, there's 5, 10, there's 15, and then we would have 20, but that would be too many. So there's our 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. There's our 4 left over. I hope you enjoyed that one. You could try it with some other numbers. See what you come up with. See you tomorrow, guys. Bye.